Francie, where are you going? Oh my goodness! Boom!
Come over here.
Come here, Francie. Come here.
Come here.
Come on.
Yeah. Are you stuck? You're stuck. Oh no.
Come on, Francie. Come on. Come to bed.
Don't run me over. Go get Daddy. Get Daddy.
Come here, Francie. Come on. Watch my feet. What are you doing?
Whoa.
Watch the feet. Yes.
Yes. Run, run.
Run, run. Go get your towels.
Come over here.
Come on.
Francie.
Come back.
Come on.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Come back here. Nope, that's a dead end. Come on. Francie, come here.
Francie. Come here. Come on. Whoa. You got out. Good job. Whoa. Yeah.
You got it?
Yep. Good job.
Where are you going? Go get your towels. Dead end.
Are you stuck?
No.
Whoa.
Come here, Francie.
Come on.
Come
Back
on.
over here. She knows how to back out.
Oh. Ow, my foot. No, you can't have the camera. What's the kitty cat say? What's the lion say? Where's the lion going? Bye. Oh. Come here.
Bye. Wait, bye-bye.
Wait, bye-bye. Francie, wait, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, you know where bye-bye is? Yep, that's the back door. Wait, bye-bye. Francie, wait, bye-bye.
There she goes.
Yeah, you know where bye-bye is.
She's here.
That's the back door.
Wait, bye-bye.
Wait, bye-bye. Yay. Aww.
Oh,
You know where bye-bye is?
bye-bye.
That's where everybody goes out to say bye-bye. Okay, Francie, let's say goodbye. Francie, say goodbye.
Yeah.
Now where are you going? No, no,
Francie.
no.